What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, yo. So we're gonna be doing an amazing sour punk challenge. Okay, so what I mean by sour punk, this is what I mean. Yeah. Let's try this baby. Okay. First try. Let's go. Let's open it. Let's smell it. Wish me luck guys, subscribe. Not that bad after all. It's like sweet and sour.
Lies down.
What?
What lies you talking?
This is what? What's that supposed to mean?
I know you're dying right now.
Huh?
You're dying right now.
What do you mean?
You're dying.
Bye?
What do you mean?
Yeah?
What do you mean bye?
You want one?
No.
Huh? Okay, more than me, more for me. Second one, guys. Still a few more left. But I'm not gonna finish all of it, yeah. But before I end the video, let's try this. Let's try double at once. Okay, let's try double. Let's go. Ready? Really little bit sour.
Okay. What song you want to listen to? Oh my god. Sorry, also.
Alright guys, time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Sorry for the short video, but yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.